Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to access archives in Gmail. Archiving emails is a fantastic way to declutter your inbox without permanently deleting messages you might need later. So let's walk through how to archive emails and then find them again when you need them. First, make sure you're signed into your Gmail account. Once you're in, locate the email you want to archive. This can be any email sitting in your inbox or filed under a specific label. When you hover your mouse over that email, you'll notice action icons appear on the right side of the message. One of these icons looks like a box with a downward arrow. That's your archive button. Click it, and the email will instantly move out of your inbox while remaining safely stored in your account. Now, if you need to archive several emails at once, there's an even faster method. Simply check the boxes next to each email you want to archive. Once you've selected all the messages you want to move, look up at the top toolbar of your inbox. You'll see that same archive icon, the box with the downward arrow. Click it, and all those selected emails will be archived together in one go. You'll notice they disappear from your inbox immediately, but don't worry, they haven't been deleted. Here's where it gets important: accessing those archived emails when you need them. To view everything you've archived, head over to the left sidebar and click on More. This expands the menu to reveal additional options. From this expanded list, click on All Mail. This view displays every email in your account, including all the messages you've archived. It's essentially your complete email history in one place. Alternatively, there's a quicker search method you can use. Go to the Gmail search bar at the top of your screen and type in archive, then hit enter. This command instantly pulls up all your archived emails, giving you direct access without navigating through multiple menus. It's a handy shortcut that can save you time when you're looking for something specific that you've tucked away. And there you have it. Archiving emails keeps your inbox clean and organized, while the archive itself remains easily accessible whenever you need to reference something. Thanks for watching.